This is a 2014 Range Rover Sport. I'm going to be blacking out the whole front of the car and even the mirrors. So today I'm going to be putting on the new fog light blackout. So it should look pretty good. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button because we're going to be re-customizing this Range Rover for the next year and doing some cool stuff with it. So I'll keep posting the videos as I'm working on the car, and please smash that like button. This is the fog light, and as you can see, I was at a car wash and a guy sprayed some bug stuff to get the front off, and it took off some of the silver here. So to make this car look a little bit newer, and yes, I know it's a 2014, it's not going to look all that much newer, but I decided I'm going to start blacking out the front of the car that it might look good. So I just got finished washing the car, and now I dried this off. Gonna peel off the tape on this. This I bought on Amazon, by the way. And let's see how it looks. It does seem pretty simple. Peel off the back of the stickers and then simply put it on. So don't worry, I'm not gonna leave that on the ground. I will pick it up here after filming. But it seems pretty self-explanatory. I do want this car to look a lot sharper. You know, I wanted to buy the new model, but I heard the 2022, when it comes out, is going to be a completely different body style, so I do want to just update this and use it for the next year until the 2022 comes out. So just put it on, firmly pressed down. Hopefully you got a nice warm day to do this, so this tape actually does stick. I glue on the tape. But there we go, I'm going to do the exact same to the other side.